清醒的芬芳，每个未来都不一样。就像那 kiss kiss 亲吻脸颊的味。
Well, time for me to go.
We'll never forget you, Ehrin. You own your laser gun. So many memories.
Can't believe Ehrin is leaving the Chibi Friends squad.
Yes, Stella. Me and my friend Miguel will follow our dreams and make it non-stop the drama. Well, here's my last word before leaving this fandom. Goodbye, old friends.
Goodbye and good luck to your new journey.
Now Ehrin is gone.
Yeah, if your sister didn't add me to all seasons, I'll quit.
Wow, chill, you're making me 100% blush.
Yeah, just because you're more comfortable and soft, I'll make you mine.
That's kinda sus.
I know, right? This is awkward.
I still miss Ehrin. Maybe one day he can finally come back. But what if not? I'm gonna be sad and depressed.
I think it's my fault for my breakup. Ow! What was that for? Why did you slap me so hard? Princess Thylacine.
Of course it's me. Tell me the truth right now, or else I'm gonna turn myself as a demon and let you to be kicked out from this fandom.
Okay, fine. I'm the one who broke up with your friend because she's too beautiful. So please, will you forgive me?
Huh. Nice try, William the Heartbreaker.
Ow! Ow! Stop! Stop that.
Guys, look what Stang wrote his announcement about.
Wow! We're going to the cruise ship for all people except for William.
Oh my gosh, that's what I want for the trip!
Wait a minute. Have you been to the cruise ship before?
No, I've never been there before.
You know there were so many friends are joined in.
Wow, I wish I can have my own Curie ship.
Me too. But do you think it's free?
Of course it's free.
Wow.
This is so exciting. I would like to bring one of my friends in my team to join. I'll bring Stacy-Chan.
I'll bring QB Kid.
I'll bring Fukura-Chan.
I'll bring Cubarinha-Tan. And I'll bring Pinknette-Chan.
Pinknette-Chan.
I say it first.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Yay, welcome back. Have you checked the news?
Of course I did. We'll go tomorrow.
Yay, I'm so excited.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
I'm afraid I have some terrible news. I have dinner reservations and no one to go with.
We're still friends. Yeah, friends forever.
I got my money.
Well, take a look at that. Wait a minute. I thought that we should be sleep together.
Don't worry. I'll move the bed. And so that we can be so cozy together.
Here we go, we gotta rock. I know that we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out, I wanna let it go. Let's go way out, spaced out and losing all control. Fill up my cup, Mazel tov. Look at her dancing, just take it up.
Hello everyone, I'm Stang Kun. Welcome to my Curie ship. So today, I would like to welcome one of the two new Chibi Friends characters. Give a clap to them. Okay, so I'm going to start with Sara. So Sara, what do you think about my Curie ship?
I think I like the swimming pool. Roll the clip. Hey, look at the sky.
I didn't see anything, Chop.
That's what you get for not leaving me and Lara alone.
You're gonna pay for what you did just now.
Oh no, not again.
Wow, but I feel bad for MediaAzure the Cat. How about you, Fairy Thylacine?
Well, I like the restaurant. And also the hangout room.
Okay, cut.
Did we do good?
Yes, you both did good.
Hey Pinknette-Chan, why don't you and your boyfriend to do the spaghetti trend? Or maybe go swimming together.
Hee hee. Well, I guess.
Okay, thanks for your thoughts about Kurai's ship.
Hey Waifu AJ, what are you doing?
Me and my friends were chilling. Wanna join?
Sure.
Maddie, Tanaka, look at this.
Well, she really fell in love with another boy.
Cute.
Guys, there's an incoming wave. Go and leave now.
Really? Why don't you tell us earlier?
There's no time to talk. Go now.
Tal, get of the deck.
What's a deck?
The top of the ship.
And where is it?
Incoming wave.
Oh my god, don't kill me.